We've got here a 22 to a 24 or current GM truck top. For this project, you'll need an angle pick or a small screwdriver, as well as a steamer. First things first, we are gonna get the steamer and we're gonna steam this foam a little bit. All right, steamer's rolling. It's hot. Let's get this foam. With this being a newer foam, it's probably not gonna be as beat up as an older foam, but it's still good to just kind of get this. Probably be careful on the airbag. I don't know if you keep that heated, that might just explode. Probably not though. Well, let's just get some life to it. It's kind of just like that Madonna song.
Jitterbug?
Break it bad. Jitterbug. When you call my name, oh, I can take you there. All right, money. Bam! All right, so what we want to do first, oh, here's a cover. Look at that. Super nice. What I like to do first is get this flip inside out. And bam. Oh, the airbag. All right. So, again, just like the bottom, it's got these black festoon clips. Festoon clip catches. These get snapped in. So this time we're gonna go horizontal first, vertical up. Boom, boom. So let's get the top part set first. You can usually flip that up right there. Let's see what I'm doing, baby. And push in. I need silence. Oh. No, I didn't fart. That's how it should sound right there, baby. You get them festoon clip. That's pretty funny. Oh.
That one was a fart.
That one, yeah. I will be back. All right. Now let's get this side right here. I'm gonna start at the bottom. So as you can see here, Velcro. There is Velcro that gets attached here. So I'm gonna start from the bottom, get it all pinned up, and then we'll set that Velcro. There is a method to the madness. But you can honestly probably start anywhere you want. Alright. Got that Velcro sit right there, baby. Got it. I gotta quit saying baby.
Why?
Because these people are gonna be like, hey, you calling me baby? My name's Alan West. Oh, yeah. You know what they do to people like you and. Okay, so we've gotten to this point. So I just kind of rolled that over, but we got an airbag to do. Okay, so got your two sides. This you'll want to feed underneath the foam, and it's gonna basically plug, which I will show you in a second, but we'll get that tucked up for now. And this is gonna hug around like that right there. And then we're gonna feed right up under the belt right there, look at that. And right there is that airbag material I was showing.
Take 2 hands.
There we go. Alright, see there? We got that hugged around. See? We want those clipped. Boom. Boom. Now you want to make sure these are secured. You should hear an maybe. I don't know. I don't think I ever clicked those. They might not audibly click. That might be fine. Oh my gosh, what is that? Something's wet. That was a super moist airbag. How do you feel about the word moist in the comments? Let me know. Gosh. Perfect fit. Man, shout out to our sew team. All right, got those in. Boom, let's see what we got here. Flip this down. Clips, same clips that I was just doing on this one. These get clipped to the frame. So kind of just pull it down, see where it gets lined up. Looks like it lines up right between those 2 clips. So go ahead and push that down. Clip. Clip. So you can see in this one, there's that hole in the airbag material. Right where this one should fit perfectly. Boom. Some people call that money. I don't say that. Some people do that. I don't believe that sort of thing. These little angle picks right here work perfect. I don't think they're that expensive. You can probably buy a whole set of them at Lowe's or Walmart. They just work like a charm for this kind of job. Yeah.
They make it real easy.
Yeah, they make it real easy, see? But these are what you call hidden zippers. See, look at that.
Where'd it go?
I can see a lot of black, but let's see. It pulls it onto itself. So now you can't see anything. Imagine all the things you could hide in your seat cover. Boom. So I forgot, this guy in the front, right here, is gonna fold over here and get all up in there, right in them guts, right in here. See that? You want it to clip it right in there. So maybe get some leverage on it like that right here. You pull that bad boy. Oh yeah. Right there, see? That was easy. These clips we do not have to worry about because these go to the bottom of the frame, which might be a whole separate video later of how to attach the whatever. Put them back together, I guess.
You can look at your passenger seat.
Yeah. We're not making a video for that. Oh, right there. Oh, money, come on.
Get it?
Yeah, see, you just...
It's easy.
All you gotta do is you just barely pull it off.
Made that look easy, man.
That one actually wasn't that bad.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Bring this out.
Let's see. Woo! All right. Dang, right there. That was money.
It's not that bottom.
Yeah, it's like this, right? Which it should.
I don't think it's.
Yeah. Tell us what you think. Again, this is a 2022 to a 2024, 2025, 2500, 3500 GM truck. So leave it in the comments. Did I do the best job you've ever seen?